Elon Musk has done it again. Rocket the tech billionaire just dropped Grok 3, and it's already making waves in the AI world. But here's the real question. Is it faster, smarter, and better than ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI out there? And more importantly, can you afford it? Let's break it all down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI, tech, or just love keeping up with Elon Musk's latest moves, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Grok 3, the AI that's promising to revolutionize the game. So, let's get into it. Grok 3 is Elon Musk's latest AI model under his company xAI. It's designed to be faster, more efficient, and more conversational than its predecessors. But here's the kicker. Elon claims it's built to be smarter than anything we've seen before. But is that really true? According to early tests, Grok 3 is reportedly 2x faster than GPT-4 and 3x more efficient in handling complex tasks. But speed isn't everything. It's also about accuracy and usability. So far, users are saying it's a game changer for coding, research, and even creative writing. But is it worth the hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's talk money. Grok 3 is available in 2 tiers. Keycap 1 Premium. For $20 per month, you get full access to all features, including priority support and advanced capabilities. Keycap 2 Free tier. Yes, there's a free version, but it comes with limited features and slower response times. Still, it's a great way to test the waters before committing. With Grok 3's speed and efficiency, it's definitely a strong competitor. But will it replace ChatGPT or Gemini? Not so fast. Each AI has its strengths, and it really depends on what you need it for. Grok 3 might be the king of speed, but others still dominate in areas like accessibility and integration. With Grok 3's speed and efficiency, it's definitely a strong competitor. But will it replace ChatGPT or Gemini? Not so fast. Each AI has its strengths, and it really depends on what you need it for. Grok 3 might be the king of speed, but others still dominate in areas like accessibility and integration. So, what do you think? Is Grok 3 the future of AI, or is it just another flashy launch? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're excited about Grok 3, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.